singing the manifesto song. You can be the change you want to see. Make
Manifesto
yourself a
Live.
world where you know you belong. It could even set you free to be.
Have you heard about Manifesto Live?
What's that?
It's a show at the Corn Exchange for young people and it's free.
What's it about?
Making your voice heard about climate. There'll be live music, guitarists, drummers, talks and the chance to say what concerns you.